Now, if you are having issues with your car here and you're seeing the battery saver active warning message, well, there are a few things that you may need to know here. So first is going to understand what the warning actually means. Now, when you see the battery saver active message, it means that your car's electrical system here isn't getting enough power. So either the battery isn't holding a charge or the alternator isn't charging it properly, which again causes the issue. Now, first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to test the battery first. So you want to turn off the ignition, use a digital multimeter set to 20 volts DC. Now place the red probe on the positive terminal and the black on the negative. Now, a healthy battery should read above 12.4 volts. Now, if it's lower, recharge or replace the battery. Now, also, you may want to check your alternator here. Now, with the car off, you want to measure voltage again. It should be around 12.6 volts, then start with the engine. A properly working alternator should show 14.2 to 14.7 volts. Now, if the reading doesn't rise or drops below 13 volts under load, like when you turn on the lights or AC, your alternator may need replacement. And also, you may want to inspect the battery cables. Now, look for corrosion, dirt, or loose connections on the battery terminals. Clean them thoroughly and apply anti-rust spray or terminal protector to prevent future buildup. And finally, you may want to replace what's faulty here. Now, if testing shows either the battery or alternator is weak, replace the defective part. Now, once done, the battery saver active warning should disappear and your electrical system will run smoothly or will run normally again. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.